Good day everyone, today I'll be talking network topology design, VLAN configuration, spanning tree protocol, and routing protocol. So network topology design. So dito meron tayong star topology. So star topology, it is widely used sa mga modern network. So dito meron tayong main switch kung saan lahat ng devices is connected dun sa main switch. So star topology, it provides high performance communication between devices and also reduces the network collision. So dito mas madaling mag-add, remove, or even mag-troubleshoot ng mga devices. So for example, tong cable dito sa switch 3, nasira under ng PC6. So hindi ma-affect yung different device. Unlike doon sa bus topology na kapag may nasirang isang cable or device, pwede maapektuhan yung different device na nakapaload dun sa network. So after that, network VLAN configuration. So dito naman, IUP configuration muna. So VLAN 10, for VLAN 10, 192.168.10. VLAN 20, 192.168.20. So tanggalin muna natin to. So ilalagay natin yon 192.168.10 since VLAN 10 and 1 since PC1, then enter lang. And same lang din dito, 192.168.20 since VLAN 20 and 2 since PC2 siya, and enter. Dito naman 192.168.10 since VLAN 10, 3 since PC3, then enter, and so on. So after that, we're going to configure the VLAN dun sa switch na. So enter and configure terminal, then VLAN 10, interface FA01. So FA01, since yung PC1 is connected dun sa FA01 ng switch 1 or ng main switch, itong cable na to connected sa FA01 sa main switch. Then switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 10. VLAN 10 since yung PC1 is belong dun sa VLAN 10. Then exit, then VLAN 20, interface FA02. Wait lang. Interface FA02. And then FA02, since yung PC2 is connected sa FA02 na main switch. After that, switch port mode access VLAN 20. Then exit, and then enable, configure terminal. So ngayon, try naman natin i-configure yung dalawang switch dito sa main switch para mag-connect. So interface range, kung gusto natin ng maraming i-connect sabay, FA10, since yung pangalawang switch is connected sa FA10, both switch, main switch connected sa FA10 and switch 2 connected sa FA10 and main switch, then comma, space, FA20. So same lang din, connected sa FA20, then enter, and switch port mode trunk. Okay na siya, and dito naman tayo. So same lang din ang ginawa, enter, and configure terminal, then VLAN 10, interface FA01, and then switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 10. Then exit VLAN 20, interface FA02, then switch port mode access, and switch port access VLAN 20. Then exit, then enter. Since naka-enable na siya, configure terminal na tayo. Configure terminal. And then after ng configure terminal is yung pag-connect na ng switch dun sa main switch. So i-connect din natin yung switch 2 dun sa main switch. So interface FA10, since nasa 10 nga siya na-connect. And then switch port mode trunk. Yan lang. And then next naman dito, enter, enable, configure terminal, interface FA01. Yan. Exit muna tayo. Enter, configure terminal, VLAN 10. Wala nga. Enter, enable, configure terminal, VLAN 20. 10 muna. VLAN 10. Interface FA01. Then switch port mode access, VLAN 10. Then exit, then interface FA02, then switch port mode access, VLAN 20, then exit, then configure terminal. Then try natin i-connect yung switch dun sa main switch, yung switch 3 dun sa main switch. Interface FA20, since 20 yung sa 20 na connect yung switch 3, and also sa 20 na connect yung main switch. Ayan. So switch port mode access, exit. So try na interface FA20, switch port mode trunk. Ayan. So now let's try to ping if gumana yung, or if gagana yung configuration. Wait, okay. Try na to ulit, since green na siya. Ito pala PC2 to PC6. PC2 to PC6, success. PC4 to PC2, success. PC1 to PC5, success. So try naman natin siya. Connect dito PC5 to PC6, failed since magkaiba sila ng VLAN. So PC3 to PC5, and last PC4 to PC6. So next naman na i-discuss is yung spanning tree protocol and routing protocol. So after discussing the network topology design and visual lower area network configuration, and now we're going to talk about spanning tree protocol and routing protocol. So I'm going to demonstrate how to enable communication between different isolated networks. So gamit yung VLAN and yung technique na tinatawag din na router on a stick. So yung topology na to is gumamit ako ng tatlong different visual local area networks, yung VLAN 10, 20 at saka 30. So for the 10, meron siyang 192.168.10.10. Dito naman VLAN 20, meron siyang 192.168.20, and 30 naman dun sa VLAN 30. So for the switches, we have switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. So under switch 1, PC1, PC2 na under ng V10, and switch 2 na under ng V3. Switch 2 na under na PC3 and PC4 na under ng switch 2, and PC5, PC6 na under ng switch 3. So lahat ng device na to, ang main point or main switch nila is yung switch 1. So we then assigned the ports connected dun sa mga PC. So dun sa mga corresponding access VLANs, for example, yung PC1 is naka-assign dun sa V10. So crucially yung connection between nung switches tsaka nung single link dun sa switch 1 tsaka router is naka-configure na through trunks or as trunks. So necessary to kasi yung trunk inaalaw yung single or physical cable na i-carry yung traffic para dun sa tatlong VLAN na sabay-sabay. So which is efficient at saka essential siya, and also flexible. So to make the communication possible between these different VLANs, I implemented inter-VLAN routing and with the use of router on a stick on router. Ito, router 12. So since yung standard is layer 2 switch, which is hindi pwede mag-forward ng traffic between different layer 3. So yung router, yun yung magti-take ng responsibility para gawin yun. So I configured yung single physical port dun sa router 12, which is connected dun sa switch 1, which is ito. So after nung connection between nung switch and nung router, with this 3 logical sub-interface, nandito. What we call sub-interface is yung ito. So this is what we call sub-interface, yung FA-0.20. So each sub-interface is now configured and naka-encapsulate tag. Ito. So itong 10 na to, it's just specify na VLAN 10. Tapos ito, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. So parang mga VLAN ID sila, and also ito yung mga naka-assign dun sa default gateway, which is wala kanina dun sa explanation ng topology network and VLAN. So here ito 10 for the VLAN 10 and 20 for the VLAN 20 and then 30 for the VLAN 30. So doon ang galing yung 30 from encapsulation. So overall this makes the router na parang gateway para sa mga PC tsaka also dun sa every LAN. Ngayon, kung yung PC sa VLAN 10 nag-attempt na i-ping nag-attempt na magbigay ng data dun sa VLAN 30, dadaan siya dun sa, or yung packet is mag-forward mismo dun sa router 12, and then tapos nun is babasahin nung router yung destination, and then ira-route yung mismong packet or yung data dun sa correct na destination, which is yung VLAN 30, using yun nga, sub interface, and that's how they complete the communication.